Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys we have a tire. Okay, let me explain you. We have a tire guys that's leaking around the wall. Okay, right here, let me show you now. Okay, I'm talking about leaking around the sidewall. So we'll explain guys how to fix that and how to prepare your wheel if it's leaking. You can see somebody tried to glue it. That's not the correct way. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. Now, let's go ahead and start on it. So, what we will do now guys, okay, we'll take the wheel off. We're going to get all the air out of the tire, deflate it. Let's take it to the tire machine quick here. Okay, we'll show you where the problem with our wheel is now. Whoever tried to repair that, bad deal. So, I just dropped my cap. We have guys more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, so please subscribe guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So we will let the air out and we'll come back. Next we'll take the wheel off, the tire off the wheel. Okay, so we'll put it on the tire machine now. Clamp it down and we're going to remove it. You can see that that wheel was even damaged before, but that wouldn't cause so much leak. I'll show you what is causing the leak now. Okay, and check out all the glue that somebody put there. So, those low profile tires guys, they're really hard to remove and install sometimes. I personally hate them, and every tire shop hates them as well, so that's not. This one doesn't have a tire sensor, but if you have a tire sensor you have to be extremely careful, okay, because otherwise, okay, you can, okay, make sure that everything is in, you can break the tire sensor. So let me, it is above the lip here. So this is another problem here guys. Okay, it could be leaking from that here too. Somebody messed up the tire wall. Okay, now let us explain you where the problem is. See the tire? Okay, check that. Our wheel guys, it has, that aluminum has some special coating. And that coating is the one that's spinning. And when it's spinning, it's not sealing. As a result, the tire, okay, develops a leak. And we will explain now how to fix it. Let me flip it on the other side. Okay. Now, let me show you here quick what is happening. Okay, you can see that coating is separating from the aluminum. And as a result, guys, okay, this is the coating here. Okay, the wheels start, the wheel and the tire, they do not seal good anymore. So we will need to get sandpaper and we will need to clean that coating here really good, so that way we can ensure that our tire will sit really good next time. So we'll get some fine sandpaper and we're going to clean that coating off. Okay, the bottom side is ready, the top side, okay, you can see we clean it. Okay, that old paint that was peeling, it's gone. So now we'll try to reseal the tire. So we're going to clean with acetone, never ever touch it with your hands, use gloves. So we're going to clean the beads really good, okay, the sidewalls, to make sure that the new tire will seal. And we'll see if we have any tire leaks after that. So we're going to clean the sidewall of the tire really good. You have to make sure that you don't have any contamination. We'll clean the inside, we have a little bit of dust. Okay, everything needs to be super clean. After that we're going to get some tire solution, guys. Okay, we're going to show you in just a second. Almost every tire has inside and outside side. Some are reversible, but always make sure that you install them the correct way. This one says inside. So let's go ahead. We're going to get some tire solution now. You can find it listed in the description of the video below, guys. Okay, and we're going to apply now really good amount to the tire. Okay, on both sides. Okay, really good amount, and to the wheel as well once we're done with the tire. Okay, I'm going to put some to the wheel now. Okay, this is the bottom one now. I'll do the top one. Okay, perfect. Now we'll get it on. Okay, let's see if we can install it now. Easier than we removed it. Fire now, because those low profile tires, they're no joke. Okay, I personally hate them, so I'll put a little bit more solution here to make sure that we don't have any dry spots. Okay, need to make sure that it goes under the lip. Okay, regular tires are way easier to do than those. So I'll go back a little bit. Just trying to get it under the lip here. Okay, and I will need one more bar now. Okay, we have one on the floor there, so we can press in here. It's two people job for this thing. Ah, it popped right out. And that the sidewall is actually not damaged, because if it's damaged you have to replace the tire. Okay, our sidewall, everything looks good. So what I'll do now, last thing, I'll apply more stuff. Okay, let me remove the iron here. And we'll be ready, guys, to put air and see if that thing is going to work out or not now. Okay, so let's see. So we did seat it. Now we need to go to 42 psi, and we're going to see if it's leaking after that. Okay guys, and we're at 42 psi, and right now I don't see any more bubbles coming out. So we're going to put a little bit more solution here, okay, to see for leaks. Nothing, everything sealed great. So you can see, guys, sometimes the peeling paint, broken bead, or defective tire or dust deposit can cause that. So definitely we're ready to go, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.